Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this beautiful St. Patrick's Day look for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First off, I'll be starting with my Light Elegance Spider Prime. I'm going to be applying this all over my nails and then going in with my Light Elegance Tack and applying this on my nails as well, and then giving it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Next, I'll be going in with this beautiful brush. I just had to show you guys it in my Light Elegance One Step, and I'm going to be applying that all over my nails and giving it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Currently right now my nails are not built up. They are super thin and I am just backfilling them so that I don't have any of my natural nail bed showing. I mean, not showing, but you guys get what I mean. Like, I don't want to put the color on top of my natural nail bed area. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to cure it in my light for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to be going in with Up And Jade, and I'm going to be applying this on my pinky, my middle finger, and my half of my thumb. And you guys, this color is so beautiful. Like, I am so in love with green right now. Like, words can't explain. I just had to wait to St. Patrick's Day so that I can just throw up green everywhere. But I am so loving this green. This set is so beautiful to me. So I hope that you guys enjoy it as well too. So once I'm done applying this, I'm going to give it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. And then I'll be going in with moves like Jagger. And then I'm going to be applying this on my pinky, my pointer finger, and my thumb. I did it kind of split up, so you guys will just see me doing my pinky and my thumb. And then the next clip you'll see me do my pointer finger. But once I'm done with this, I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Going back in with moves like Jagger, and I'm going to be applying this to my pointer finger. And then I'm going to be curing that in my light for 30 seconds. Then I'll be going in with Swing by Sweden, and I'm going to be applying this on my pointer finger and my thumb as well. And I just want to express to you guys how freaking beautiful this color is. Like, it is so freaking gorgeous that I can't even. Like, it is so beautiful to me. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with some Mylar flakes, and I'm going to be applying that on my pointer and my thumb as well too. Then I'll be going in with this Beauty Big Bang stamping plate, and I just wanted to say a special thank you for sending me all these stamping plates. I have definitely been enjoying them. So look how beautiful this plate, you guys. Like, this plate is amazing, and I just think it went with the set so great. Like, the struggle was not even there like it was last year for my St. Patrick's Day set, because I have this plate. Like, look how easy it is just to jazz up your nails and make it St. Patrick's Day. Like, I just love stamping plates for that reason, and this one is just so great. Like, I love having holiday stamping plates because it just makes your sets that much easier. So yep, after I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my Kiara Sky top coat, and I'm going to apply this all over my nails and then give it a full cure in my light for 60 seconds. These are my final results. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!